Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and it's January 26th. It's currently 9:42 this morning. I'm on my way to the nail salon to go get my nails done because I have a photo shoot tomorrow at 5 p.m. I'm just doing headshots, but it gives a little bit of an aesthetic because I'm gonna have like all these rings on my fingers, like different colors and shapes, so it's gonna be like really cool. My hair is gonna be in a bun and everything like that. I'm gonna give y'all more details as to everything that I'm going to be doing later on today, but I just wanted to vlog today because it's kind of been a while and I wanted to do something that's a little more interactive because I know for some of my vlogs I kind of like do voiceovers and I don't really talk to the camera. Today's video is basically going to be like a photo shoot prep video because my photo shoot is tomorrow and everything that I'm doing today is prepping me for the photo shoot that I have. So basically on today's agenda, I'm gonna go get my nails done, and then when I come home I'm supposed to get a retouch of my hair just so it can pull my face back a little bit, you know. Yeah, that's really what I'm doing. I also need to go get gas because I'm on E basically. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, I need to go get gas and I also need to wash my car, but it's 30 degrees outside and I don't know if I want to get my car washed. Like, I don't know if it's too cold for that, but I don't feel like standing outside because it's freaking cold. I'm so excited to be vlogging today. Like, I'm really excited. So yeah, so let me start driving to the gas station. So I'll pick up my camera once I'm at the nail salon, I guess. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm done in my hair, I'm done my makeup, everything like looks really good. I'm very happy with how my makeup came out. So I tried doing my makeup like a different way, but not really. All I did was like that highlighter shade that I always use from Tarte or Born This Way. I put a little bit more, but what I did was like I dragged it up a little bit more and I like created this line, and I feel like it just snatched my face. Like, I feel like it's just snatched it like real good. My contour is just like, it's giving. I'm sorry y'all, I ain't get cute in a long time. When's the last time I got cute? Because I could be lying. No, I didn't get cute in a long time like this, so I have every right to feel myself right now. So yeah, so let me catch y'all up basically on what happened earlier today because I did not pick up my camera at all. So let's start from yesterday. So yesterday I got home and I just had a lot to do. So I went to the car wash and I also did laundry. Like, I had so much laundry to do that like I was so tired after I was done. In the midst of me doing that, I went to go get my car washed to kind of like you know, make the time go by faster. So I washed my car, she's all clean. And after that I came home, I cleaned the bathroom. Like, yo, I was slaving. Like, yesterday I was really like, because I was just trying to get all this stuff out the way. So today, like, all I could just focus on was the photo shoot, doing my makeup, getting everything done. So that's basically all I did. I did a lot, y'all. I really did a lot yesterday. Currently right now it's 4:53. So today, woke up super early, and I called my mom and I asked her if she could do my hair, but she had an appointment at 9 a.m. and I wasn't waking up at 7 or 8 o'clock to do my hair. I was not doing it. So she was finishing up her client and she told me that I could go to her shop to go, you know, do the retouch to my hair, because I told y'all I wanted like my braids in the front to just be like super fresh and pull my face back a little bit, because I feel like it just tightens your face, you know what I'm saying? When y'all get fresh braids or fresh sewing, like, y'all face just be snatched, like, y'all know what I mean, right? So yeah, I just wanted that look. So she did my hair this morning. She gave me a nice retouch. I was very, very appreciative of that, because she did have other clients and I kind of just popped up on her, but she told me I could come, but you know, still it was kind of like an inconvenience because she had other clients too. After I left the shop, I came home and I ate and I went to sleep. Like I was like, I have to get something, like I have to nap, because honestly after I ate I had a headache. Like, y'all, I don't know if this is normal, but when I tell y'all, like, every other day, like, it's something wrong with me. Like, I don't understand why I can't just be normal and just like go throughout the day and I don't have a headache, my stomach don't hurt, I don't feel fatigued, I don't feel tired. Like, it's just always something wrong with me. Yeah, that's basically it. I just came home, took a nap, and then I started to do my makeup, and then I just picked up the camera, and yeah, we're here now. Y'all, I'm so obsessed with these photos. I'm so excited. Like, I have not done a photo shoot in so long, and I feel like, as I was telling y'all earlier, like, start doing stuff that makes you happy and start doing things that's actually going to bring joy to your life. And this is something that it really makes me happy. I like doing photo shoots, and I kind of like just be procrastinating on stuff and putting stuff on hold. So when I booked this photo shoot, y'all, it was like spare the moment. Like, literally, I was on my phone, I was on Instagram, and I was scrolling through, and I saw this girl on Instagram. She's a UK Instagram model, and she literally, like, this was the inspiration. And when I saw it, I was like, I'm definitely going to do this, because for one, I've always wanted to get headshots because I don't have any headshots. And then for two, and it was like an aesthetic, like, you know, the rings bring like just like a cute little vibe. So I really wanted to recreate this look. So I'm, you know, super excited just to see how everything turns out. So yeah, I'm about to just pack up my stuff really quick, just, you know, just little makeup stuff. That's really it, y'all. That's really it. Let me know if y'all enjoying this vlog, because I told you I'm trying to be more interactive, like, I guess show my personality a little bit, because I'm trying to like be more talkative on here and just like really interact with you guys, because I really want to build this YouTube channel and I really want it to go places. Like, that's really one of my goals for 2022. So if you're loving it here and if you're enjoying the vibe, like, comment, subscribe, as I always tell y'all, and just let me know what else y'all like to see. Okay, so yeah, let's just let me start packing, and I'm just gonna bring y'all in my room and we just gonna start packing. Okay. Hey y'all, I just wanted to update y'all really quick. So I'm at the location right now for the photo shoot. I'm just waiting for the photographer to come open the door. So I'll vlog more and stuff once I get in there, but I'm just basically waiting for him to come get the door and come open the door and everything. So I'm like real excited, but I'll talk to you guys later.
You already know I brought her out tonight. My favorite bar and kitchen.
Period.
Hopefully we get to see that tomorrow. Oh, yes!
My name is Don Corleone, the biggest drip, the biggest Don, the biggest high five photographer, content creator, good looking, smiling, pearls. Ding! You gotta give me a little ding at the video. You gotta ding! Yeah. Follow me on Instagram at AURA_GBLD. That's Aura. Aura always gold. If you can't hear me, that's because we in the institute where she just filmed. We just knocked down a shoot. She did her thing. Got her little, why don't you keep your rings on? Got a little ring content. How you been?
So good. How are you?
Good. We just here for drinks. You hungry? Yeah.
Do you know what you're getting?
I know what I'm getting. What you? 2 Henny Punch to start off?
Punch, like...
The way you made it last time.
Me?
I believe it.
There's a bond here.
I'm gonna let you go decide sweet and strong.
Okay. Like a double?
No.
Like cranberries?
Yeah.
Pineapple?
You want pineapple or cranberry? Let me go. Pineapple. Thank you.
I didn't even get to pick.
Cause it seemed like she's not too sure of what she wants. So as the man, you gotta take charge. I'm teaching y'all something, fellas. When you take a female out on a date, never give them a chance to speak. Take charge. They like that dominancy.
Okay.
This is coming from me.
Let me say one thing. He makes the best drinks. So that's why I let him pick. He really do make the best.
I really do. Like, I'm an alcoholic, FYI. I love to drink. So if you know how to drink, you should know what to get when you're outside.
And then it be tasting like juice. And then it just creeps up on you. Ding!
Henny Punch, ladies and gentlemen. It's Henny mixed with either cranberry. You can do cranberry, pineapple. You can mix it with vodka, but vodka light. Let me just tell y'all this now. Don't fuck with the Henny Punch. Don't fuck with the Henny Punch. Thing going. Boom, boom, boom. She said it smells strong. Let's see how it tastes. It's not giving what I thought it was giving.
I mean,
I can taste that. I can taste the aftertaste. Yeah. You gotta really get to the bottom. Stir it down. Put your straw all the way to the bottom and sip that Henny.